Good morning. It's Friday. Woohoo! Me and Foxy have just been having a dance party. Foxy, show everyone you're dancing. He's such a good dancer. He keeps like throwing himself on things. I'm like trying to teach him to shout parkour and he does it, but he's just not having it. Just realised I need to put my bin out. I'm still ill. I'm so fucking bored of it now. And I want my voice to go back to normal. It's pissing me off.
No, not now.
It's not normal now, is it? Mummy tells me I'm fucking stupid. Do a little OOTD. Right, Fossy, what are you wearing? He's got his monster top and camo, and he's going to have his trainers. I got my Mummy Can We Keep Him t-shirt, and then
You got none.
leggings and bands, obviously. I'm taking the girls, get off my bum. I'm taking the girls to school, and then me and Foxy are going to get his breathing medicine because they think he might have got asthma, so he's getting an inhaler to see if it helps.
I am.
You are, yeah. I need to get some fucking Sudafed shit. And then we've got 3 viewings on the house today, so I will talk to you.
Have some dinner, then pick me up.
Have some dinner and then pick me and Ari up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's our plan. Hey, it's later on in the day. It's like nearly 2. Me and Sausage Boy have just got back from Home Bargains. So I thought I would show you what we got. Oh, fuck me. That was a candle. Oh, let me get it. I spent 20 quid in total. You can come in. Ooh, being creepy over there, look. Did you just run into my back?
Yeah.
So yeah, 20 quid in total. Not a big one. It was all necessities. Bin bags, because I run out and you can't get the big ones everywhere. Asda do them, but they're like £5 for 20 or something. I think these were 99p for 10. So yeah, I've got these. He just knocked my camera off. You're wonky now, but you're balanced, so we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah, bin bags. He got a new toothbrush. He needed one. He's got an electric one at the minute. I don't know if this is going to work. It says it's got a 2-minute flashing timer, but he's not very good at the actual brushing motion, so we'll see. Needed some Fairy Up liquid. I got one of those ones that doesn't... I'm not sure what this action is. Fuck's sake. It's like a non-spill one you do, and it's like this way up, so you just squeeze it and it comes out, like doses it, and I just use this to refill it. I got some pink foamy toilet stuff because it looked fun. This wasn't a necessity, I just wanted it to clean the toilets. Also not a necessity, Fox chose these. They look amazing. So, new washing up brush because mine is dead. Hair removal cream because no one wants... You just don't want it to look like you've got a fucking hedgehog coming out your pants. So, yep. I've got 2 candles. Rhubarb, and I haven't got a very good sense of smell at the minute. I'm all blocked. That smells delicious. So I'm trying to smell it. Smell it. It's a rhubarb one, and then this one is hibiscus and sea mist, which it smells like a sweet. I can't remember what kind of sweet, but it smells good. And then I keep seeing this kind of brush on TikTok, but they're like 8 or 9 quid or something, and this is £1.29, I think. I thought it might be good for doing the girls' hair. It looks quite interesting, like, I don't know, but I thought that was interesting. And then I got this orange blossom and lemon drop shower gel, and it smells incredible. And then I saw they had, and these were 95p each. They're so good. And I needed one of these for the bathroom anyway. So that was my stuff. There was a lady who did a comment saying that my videos are boring now and she's unsubscribing, and loads of you were just really mean to her, which made me laugh. I didn't bother replying because I can't be bothered with that shit. Life is too short. If you don't fucking like me, don't fucking watch me, because I don't know why you would. Like, why would you think at the end of your day, you know what, I fucking hate this cunt, I'm going to go and watch him just to piss myself off even more. I just don't understand it. It'd be like if I went and watched Mrs. Brown's Boys, because that's just fucking horseshit. Let's do a tarot. This little pack is coming to the end. There's not very many left, so we're going to do this one. I am aligned with the universe. Am I? I don't feel like that's accurate. I don't feel like I'm at all aligned with the universe. But we shall see. So yeah, I'm going to pick Mika up. No, I'm not picking Mika up. I'm picking Aria up because Mika's school is having a tombola after school. So I'm going to go and get Aria, and then we're going to drive to Mika's school and then go to the tombola and hopefully win some Easter eggs. Yeah, and then I'm off to Leeds, aren't I? I'm off to Leeds. I'm quite scared about driving by myself. So if anyone wants to come to Leeds with me, let me know. You can come sit in the car and keep me company on Sunday. I am dead serious. Anyone, not just a fucking random. If I know you and you want to go to Leeds with me, let me know.